If you don't like confusing tutorials but still want to build real web forms, then stick around. This is for you. Whether you're a total beginner or just need a refresher, you'll walk away with practical knowledge you can use right away. Let's make HTML input tags easy. No jargon, no fluff, just the essentials, explained simply. The HTML input tag is like the Swiss Army knife of web forms. It's incredibly versatile, and you'll find it at the heart of almost every interactive website you visit. It lets your users type, select, check, or submit information, so pretty much every form you've ever filled out uses it. From signing up for a newsletter to logging into your favorite app, input tags are everywhere. Here's the basic input tag, just a single line of code, but it opens up a world of possibilities for collecting information from your users. You'll see it written like this, but there's a lot more you can do with it. Simple, right? Let's break it down. The input tag is an empty element, which means it doesn't have any content between an opening and closing tag. The input tag itself creates the form control. But to make it useful, you need to add attributes that tell the browser what kind of input you want. The type attribute tells the browser what kind of input you want. For example, you can create text fields, password boxes, checkboxes, and more, just by changing the value of the type attribute. Type text gives you a box for plain text. This is perfect for names, addresses, or any general information. Type a password hides what you type, perfect for passwords. The characters turn into dots or asterisks, keeping your information private. Type email checks if what you entered looks like an email address. If you make a typo, the browser can warn you before you submit. Type checkbox lets you toggle things on or off. Use it for things like agreeing to terms or subscribing to updates. Type radio is for picking just one option from a group. Great for surveys or choosing between options like male or female. Type a submit creates a button to send the form. When clicked, it sends all the data to your server or wherever you want it to go. The name attribute is how your website knows what each input is when someone submits the form. It acts like a label for the data, so you can process it on the back end. You can also add placeholder text to give users a hint, or make an input required so you don't get empty forms. Placeholders are those light grey hints inside the box, and required fields make sure users don't skip important info. You can even limit how much someone can type using the max length attribute, or set a default value with the value attribute. This helps guide your users and keeps your data clean. There are even more input types, like type number for numeric input, type a date for picking dates, and type file for uploading files. Each one is designed